Hey guys, welcome to today's video, and we have a little bit of sad news for you today, but before I tell you what that is, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. So it's about this thing right behind me, our camper. Alright, so we got this camper at Christmas time for a big family Christmas present, and then you know what happened a few months later after that, and everything was shut down. But we truly had some good times in this camper. We decided that we are going to sell our beloved camper, and here's why. Although this has been a nice little homey little camper for our little getaway, there's just one little problem. There's not enough space for a family of 5. And add 2 pets to the mix, there's not enough beds or space for all of us. So this bed was perfect for me and John, except for when somebody else tried to crawl in here with us, either a pet or child. So this couch folded into bed, which was great for one person to sleep in. I do like this kitchen setup. It does have the larger faucet for filling up pots and things like that. And the space is nice with the stove, and you also have the microwave and the fridge behind me. But the other problem we have right here is space. There's no space at all right here. And this dinette here was nice to eat dinner with, and there was enough space for 4 in the booth. But one thing that the girls absolutely love is how big the bathroom is. Now this was the girls' favorite part because every other camper that we looked at had a very, very tiny bathroom, about half this size. So I think it's time for a change. We like this layout, but with just a little bit more room. So we're hoping to go ahead and get something that has a little bit more room available for us and allows the girls to have their own space. So we like this layout right here, but we've seen some that has an extra bunk space right behind here, between here and the bathroom. So we're looking for options like that, and also some slides so we just have a little bit more elbow room. We can't really walk past each other right here, right now. So as we say farewell to our wonderful little camper, we are excited about our next adventure, and so stay tuned to see more.